Hello, welcome everyone to this amazing and exciting deep dive into Crosswave, the revolutionary streamer economy layer built on the Cross game chain. My name, of course, is Solo, and today I'm thrilled to share my vision for participating in the Crosswave 2.0 streamer tryouts. If you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone curious about the future of streaming and blockchain, please stick around because we are about to explore how real streaming impact can turn into real tangible value. This is my blueprint for onboarding new creators and users through engaging live interactions and short form content. Let's make some waves together, guys. So, first off, let's break down what Crosswave actually is. Imagine a world where your streams aren't just entertainment, they are part of a thriving economy. Crosswave is the official streamer economy layer of the cross game chain ecosystem. It is designed to bridge the gap between Web2 and Web3 gaming, allowing streamers to earn rewards based on genuine engagement and impact. Unlike traditional platforms where views might not translate to fair compensation, Crosswave uses blockchain technology to make everything transparent, rewarding, and interconnected. It's all about StreamFi, that's streamer finance, where your live sessions, community interactions, and content creation directly generates value in the form of cross tokens or other rewards. Let me paint a picture of how this works. Cross Game Chain is a next-gen blockchain built specifically for gaming, emphasizing true ownership and seamless interoperability. That means games can connect across platforms, and assets you earn or create can be yours forever, not locked behind a single company's walls. Crosswave sits on top of this as a streamer-focused layer. Whether you are streaming a popular Web2 title like Fortnite or a cutting-edge Web2 game, you can integrate Crosswave to track real gameplay data, viewer interactions, and even wagering or token economics in a transparent way. For example, as a streamer, you can launch campaigns where viewers tip in tokens, participate in challenges, or even own a piece of the content ecosystem. It's not just about likes and subs, it's about building a sustainable economy where your influence has measurable on-chain value. Now, why is this such a game changer? In the traditional streaming world, platforms take huge cuts, algorithms bury your content, and rewards are unpredictable. Crosswave flips the script by evolving into a universal streamer economy layer. According to recent updates, it's not limited to Web3 games anymore. It's onboarding Web2 games from regions like Korea and beyond, blurring the lines between the two worlds. This means more opportunities for creators like me to reach wider audiences without starting from scratch. Rewards are based on authentic metrics, engagement, community growth, and real-time interactions. For instance, the first 100 successful entries in these streamer tryouts win 100 crores each. That's real incentive right out of the gate. As someone based in Nigeria, shout out to my fellow creators in West Africa, I've seen how streaming can connect people across borders, but access to fair monetization is often limited. That's why I'm passionate about Crosswave. My background: I am a crypto enthusiast and content creator under the handle Maxed Out, on X. I've dabbled in trading, gaming streams, and educational trades about blockchain tech. But Crosswave takes it to the next level. My goal in this tryout is to onboard new users and creators through live streams and short-form content that showcases real use cases, rewards, and community vibes in real time. Here is my detailed content plan to make this happen. I'll start with a series of live streams on YouTube and integrated with Crosswave tools. Each stream will be themed around from zero to wave, onboarding beginners. In the first session, lasting about an hour, I'll walk viewers through setting up a Crosswave account in just 10 minutes, as inspired by those beginner tutorials out there. We'll cover downloading the wallet, connecting to cross game chain, and starting your first stream with reward tracking. I'll demonstrate live by playing a simple Web2 game and showing how viewer tips turn into on-chain tokens. To keep it engaging, I'll include question and answer segments where audience members can ask about StreamFi mechanics, like how tokens economics link to gameplay data. Next, I'll create short form highlights. Think 1 to 2 minute clips posted on X and YouTube Shorts. This should break down key features, one on how to earn as a streamer, explaining mineable rewards based on views and interactions, another on viewer perks like earning tokens for watching and engaging, and a third on community building, showing how to launch your own campaigns. Each short will end with a call to action. Join Crosswave today and reply to this video with your setup success story for a shout out. To amplify reach, I'll collaborate with other aspiring streamers in the tryouts. Imagine co-streams where we simulate real scenarios like a joint gaming session where we trade in-game assets via cross-game chain. This demonstrates interoperability in action. I'll target new and aspiring streamers, Web2 creators dipping into Web3, and gamers curious about blockchain. Hashtags like #crosswave, #streamer, #streamfi, #streamer economy, and #game streamer will be in every description to boost visibility and comply with campaign rules. But it's not just about content, it's about impact. I envision building a mini community around these streams where participants can share their earning stories. For example, in week 1, I'll challenge viewers to complete their first Crosswave stream and post proof on X, tagging crosswave_xyz. The top engagers get featured in my next video. This creates a feedback loop, more users on board, more creators inspired, and a growing ecosystem. Over time, this could evolve into tutorials on advanced topics like integrating Crosswave with popular games or using its data layers for personalized rewards. Why does this matter now? With Wave 2.0 live, it's the perfect time to jump in. The update makes Crosswave more accessible with tools for detecting streams, organizing data, and rewarding authenticity. No more scattered efforts. Everything is structured and on chain. If you are watching this and thinking, I want in, head to the Crosswave site, sign up, and start streaming. Reply to the trials post on X with your own blueprint and let's connect. In conclusion, my vision for the Crosswave 2.0 streamer trials is to turn education into excitement, onboarding into opportunity, and streaming into a true economy. By focusing on live interactions and bite-sized content, I'll help bridge the gap for newcomers who are building lasting value. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's ride the wave together. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Remember to use hashtag crosswave, hashtag streamer, hashtag StreamFi in your own content. See you in the next stream, guys. Thank you.